Oh, you can't even see it. That is all hailstones. Jesus! Whoa! That is literally all hailstones. Whoa! I've never seen nothing like it. Wow! Oh my goodness! Whoa! You can't even see the road. It looks like a cyclone or something. Can't even see up the road. Look, there's no visibility past the trees. That is dangerous if you're driving in it. Whoa, look at it coming off the roof. Jesus Christ. No, get down a bit, bub. That is nuts. Look. Oh, the video's not even doing it justice. Jesus. Whoa. Okay, let's close the window a bit. Whoa. I've literally never seen anything like that in my life. It's like something from a different country.
Ow.
And it's starting to slow down a bit now. It's starting to slow down. You can start to see up there now. The fog starting to go.